Okay, here's part 2. My phone only allows me to record certain bits at a time. All right, so, and I didn't want to rush through it. So you have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. And that's if you were to hide those zeros. Okay? If it gets a little bit confusing for you. If it's not confusing, go ahead and say the whole number. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, and then keep going down. Okay? I don't want to do the whole thing with you guys. I want you to do some of it on your own. So this bottom part is counting up by the say 10 way. So we have 10. And then remember with our piles, what came next? 10. And now how many piles do we have? 2. So 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. All right. So we had 10, 2 tens. So that's also like saying 10, 20, because you have 2 tens. 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. And if you want to write what the number looks like above the box, you can do that too. So 10, 2 tens is 20, 3 tens is 30. What comes next? 4 tens is 40. So you can kind of see that pattern. You're still counting. If you hide the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's like counting up to 10. Okay, but you're adding that 0 on the end because it's tens. So 40, and then this long arrow is showing you to go back to the beginning. Okay, so you're not going to go down and go across this way. You're going to go all the way back to the beginning. So what comes after the 4 tens? Kind of like what comes after 4? 5. And 5 tens is what? That means 5 and a 0. That's 50. Okay, and you're going to do that the rest of the way. When you get to these parts, they just didn't write the word tens for you. So you're going to put the number and then you're going to write tens. Okay? This whole lesson is a trickier one. So if your student is having a hard time with this, keep practicing counting from 1 to 10. Okay, counting up and down, going from 1 to 10, and then going from 10 back down to 1. And then move up a little bit to 20. Go from 1 to 20 and 20 to 1. Okay, do little bits at a time. Because I know with this, with these lessons, it went from 10 to 20, and then it jumped to 100. Okay, so we really didn't get to ease into going all the way up to 100. It went from 20 to 100. So that was kind of a big jump. So, like I said, if you want to practice going up to 100, you can do so in smaller, kind of smaller numbers. And if you do that on a separate piece of paper or in any other type of way, just you can send me pictures or videos of that instead. Okay, but I know a lot of you, or all of you actually, you should be able to go all the way up to 100. Okay, so I do want you to try that. It's only if you notice that your student is struggling with seeing these patterns of going up to 100 that you can, even if you want to do something similar to this, but you can just kind of make up your own way and do it on a separate piece of paper, or if you have a whiteboard, or if you just have the piles, but maybe you just want to have 3 piles, okay, and you just want to practice that, you can just do that and just show me that that's what you did instead, okay, and you will still get credit for doing this work because I will see that you are practicing and you're trying, and that's what I really want to see, okay? I don't want anybody to struggle with this and then end up having the parents or another sibling just kind of doing the work for them. Okay, it's not really about completing these worksheets. I mean, it is just because I want to see that they're able to do it, but only if they are struggling. Okay, it's not really about seeing these worksheets. I just want to see what kind of progress is being made and how parents, you are helping them kind of move forward, going from counting up to 10 to counting up to 100. Okay, this is kind of tricky. So after you do the problem set, that's how that works, okay, on both pages. On the back of one of these, you'll see the homework for this. And again, it's going to look like this dog. And then you are going to see kind of another page that, oh, this is actually it, the lesson 15 homework, okay? And this has the number and doing it the say 10 way, okay? And this is counting down. So pay attention to these words because some of it goes up and some of it goes down. So this is starting at 100 and then counting down to 10. All right? So that is it for lesson 15. Again, if you have any questions or any clarity I can give you on this, please email me, call me, message me on Class Dojo. You can do whatever it is you would like. I also have Zoom. It's still kind of new to me, trying to figure it out. But if you download Zoom, I would be happy to do like a face-to-face meeting with you or you and your student if you need, maybe if you just want to say hi, or if you want kind of some extra one-on-one help with this, I would be so happy to do that. I'm hoping to do another kind of face-to-face video and posting it on Class Dojo for you guys, because I know doing the videos this way, you don't get to see my face, and that's really just because of trying to get these videos. My phone, again, it's not letting me flip the camera, so I can't go back and forth. So it's just kind of tricky right now, but I do want you guys to be able to see me. So I want to do another video just to say hi, or if you want to download Zoom, like I said, I would be happy to do one-on-one videos with you guys just to say hi, or if you want to read to me that way, or if you want clarity on the math homework. Okay? So that is all for lesson 15, and I look forward to seeing your work, or if you decided to do it kind of a different way, that's also fine too. And I will, oh, here's my cat. And I will talk to you guys next for language arts. Thank you so much for watching.